Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So you just got in a Bolex H-16 Rex and you looked through the viewfinder and you saw an image as in the photo here in this video, and you're wondering what that is. That means that your transport prism has deteriorated, rather that the mirror reflective image, and it has to be replaced by a service technician. The turret prism, or commonly more known as the transport prism, is located here just beyond this aluminum plate. 3 screws. You do not want to repair this yourself or really even touch it. You also, as in this photo, do not want to remove the turret from the camera body, because you will remove the setting of the timing. But under that little plate is simply just a bunch of dirt. So once it's cleaned up, you can see what the turret prism looks like, just like here at the end of my pencil eraser. The mirror reflective image is put on there, and then black paint is put on top of it. There is also, on the top portion and on the bottom portion near where the lens goes, right there, is a clear piece. So at the end of my pencil eraser, you'll notice a clear piece down there. And at the very top will be a clear area as well. That is for the view. When you look through the viewfinder, it travels down through the top of that corner in the left-hand side for viewing, and down the right-hand side. As you can see at the end of my pencil eraser here, that would be the bottom. That goes down to your lens area, where the next prism is available. So whatever comes through your lens when you're filming will travel through the lens, through the gate, up to the transport prism and to your eye, so you can focus properly. There's another view right there at the end of my pencil eraser. As you can see, there is a clear area. The entire transport prism will have to be replaced. The technician will clean it up and the whole deal. Again, you cannot perform this procedure yourself. You need a new transport prism. This is a common issue, by the way. So looking through the viewfinder and you're seeing that distorted image. As you can see at the end of my pencil eraser here, it is the black painted part of the transport prism. It is separated from the corners, the 2 corners of the clear image. And that is where you get, when you look through it, a bit of light loss for the. So there we have it, the Bolex H-16 Rex. Remember, do not attempt to repair this camera yourself, because you cannot do it. You don't have the part, the turret prism, and do not remove the turret here from the body of the camera. If you do, then it's going to disengage the timing for the camera, and then you're in a world of crap unless you know how to do it yourself. Okay? So what they're going to do is they're just going to probably perform an entire CLA on the camera, clean, lubed, and adjustment. Here is a transport prism. So I've been working on this one off and on, just for the sake of doing it, something I'm working on. Okay? And there'll be a little bit of opening right here and a little bit opening down on the bottom. And that comes from your lens going to your front prism right there, all the way up, shining through to the viewfinder. Okay, that's why people sometimes complain Bolex is a little dark. Alright, so essentially that's it. Again, the Bolex H-16 Rex, your transport prism, if it looks like that, needs to be replaced. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, later.